Welcome to our family channel. Today I'm going to do a quick tour of our condo in Da Nang, Vietnam. But before we do so, I would like to take you for a quick walk at the beach. One of my favorite things to do in the morning besides my morning routine. And then after that, I'm going to walk you through our condo and share with you our experience, our thought about it, the pros and the cons of renting a condo it's very close to the beach. It's about 1-2 minute walk to the beach. So let's go take a walk and then I will give you a quick tour. How could you say no to this? Another thing that I love about this condo is that the elevator requires this card to go up and go down. It's very secure and they have security 24/7. This condo is right behind the 5-star hotel, also the same name, Mung Tan. This is super tall. The condo itself has 41 floor. I don't know how many floors this hotel has, but every time we walk by, there's a lot of tourists and bus dropping tourists here, so very busy, very popular hotel. So the blue building is the hotel and the white building right behind it is the condo where we stay at right now. I cannot believe it's early in the morning and people are lining already here, exercising, swimming, walking. So usually I do a quick walk or run in the morning, and then I do 2 more with my kid, one in the early morning after they wake up, so that they have some exposure to clean air and sun. And then after that we do another walk late in the evening, for some ice cream, sometimes beef pizza. So for me, I do 2-3 walks along this beach every day, if the weather is permitted, because I love it. I can feel the vibe, I can feel the energy. That's why I love to walk it so much. It's so beautiful here. Man, look at these people. They're so good. This is definitely one of the most beautiful beaches that I've been to. Absolutely love it. Look like someone wake up early too to catch a sunrise moment at the beach. I don't know them, But I wish them a happy marriage and fun wedding. Oh man, look at these beautiful coconut. I used to climb up these trees and get them, but I don't know if they allow me to do that here or not. Alright, I will try to stay out of trouble. Oh, more people exercising. That's so much fun. Alright, we are back at our condo and I'm ready to give you guys a tour of our condo. Alright, let's go. They have a lot of guidelines for the residents and guidance for COVID prevention. Each floor has a lot of station for emergency like fire, good sprinkler system in place, and it has a lot of security cameras so that the security team can help to keep this place safe. Mở cửa mở lại đóng cửa lại cho mày chơi ngon.
Nhanh lên mở ơi.
Push in.
Mở rồi.
This is the living room plus the kitchen. This might look small, but it has enough space for us for our daily activities, and it's similar to the tiny home concept that we really love. If you haven't checked out our tiny home video, make sure you click on the link on the top. What we love about this one is the space. Doesn't require a lot of maintenance and cleaning. We clean this house twice a day and doesn't take us much, like 5-10 minutes to clean, and also we can see all the kids what they're doing, and we can help them out, keep them from dangers. This condo uses induction heating, so it's pretty fast. So we put in the water boil almost like immediately, and we love to have fresh egg and produce from the market daily. And outside, this is the space that we have the laundry and dry up our clothes out here. That's how we love it. Next to the ocean, a lot of wind coming in help the clothes dry even faster. This is bedroom number 1. We use it for our older daughters, Elodie and Charmian. It has table for them to study, enough space for them to play, and the lighting system in here is pretty good. We need to move a few furnitures around to make the biggest room available to them for them to play, and it turned out pretty good. They play in here every day, and so far no complaint or say that they miss their room in the US. This house is well equipped with air conditioners. They have 3 units, 1 for each bedrooms, and the third one is for the main living room, so the house always cool. This is the bathroom, a little bit compact, but that's all we need. One thing I don't like a little bit about this is the shower is very close to the toilet, so sometimes make the toilet sit wet, but well, now we get used to it. This is bedroom number 2 where Ben and me and the twins sleep at. Has very good view of the ocean. Whenever we go out, we love to leave the door open so that we have fresh air in the room. Another advantage of this place is that it's surrounded by a lot of businesses and services that are very convenient for us, like food restaurant, mini mart that we can get our stuff from, a ton of taxi and grab cart similar to like Uber or Lyft in America available here. They park here so that whenever we need a ride, it's right there for us. We don't need to wait.
Chờ bánh ấy nè.
This is the end of the tour of inside our condos and the neighborhood around the building in the morning and during at night. We hope you enjoy the video and help us by like and subscribe to our channel so that you can have the latest clip of our adventures in Vietnam and other countries. See you at the next clip. Thank you.